Good evening, friends. This is Mama. I'm going to be making a strawberry crunch salad. Follow along with me if you wish. In a bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of sliced strawberries and 1/2 of a fourth of a cup of pecans crushed. I'll use the other later. And 1/2 cup of Rice Krispies. 1 cup of marshmallows, miniature. Now we want to fold this together. And I'm going to set this aside. And in another bowl, I have 8-ounce block of cream cheese and 1 cup of Cool Whip, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 cup of sugar. And now we're going to fold this also. If you let your uh, cream cheese set out and get soft, it's easier for the folding. And now you want to get your berry mixture, your marshmallows and stuff, and we're going to put this on top of it. You can also add a 1/2 cup of crushed pineapple drained, but I didn't have any, so I couldn't do that. And now we're going to fold it again. And now I'm going to put it in a glass bowl. If you have one with a lid, that would be great, because this has to be kept in the fridge. Now I'm going to top with the rest of the pecans. And some more strawberries. Now I like to clean up my bowl when I get done. I just take a clean towel and go around it, or a paper towel work just fine. And there you have it. I'm going to leave this in the refrigerator overnight and let it chill good, and I'll start eating it tomorrow. Y'all have a good night. Thanks for watching.